Good morning from Finley Truck and RV. Thank you for watching as we will be starting the video walkthrough of the 2017 Thor Outlaw, stock number 5156. Starting in the engine compartment, the oil and filter have been changed. All the fluid levels have been topped off and the engine battery has been replaced. Moving along, passenger side entry door, power awning with the new material for the awning. Inside entryway, located underneath this step, you will see the two new coach batteries that have been installed. You also have the awning lights, an outside light with controls on the inside. In this compartment is the service area for the refrigerator. Down below is your fresh tank fill from a garden hose. This is a view of the outside of the furnace. It will have hot air when the furnace is running. Caution should be taken. Two 110 outlets. Storage area. And your fresh tank drain. Also located underneath is a black tank valve that can be pulled when draining the system. Moving upward, two new outdoor speakers, outdoor TV and entertainment, more outdoor storage with locking compartments. Moving to the back, you will see the drop for the outside apron, gates all the way around, two outside storage lights, and a view of the manual antenna that will be operated with this control rod. It will open and close as needed. And it will be secured against the vehicle. Very easy to use. Storage for the handle will be in one of the compartments. Outside air vents. Storage area. And the power cord, which will be stored inside. Next, we have the fuel station for gasoline for the vehicle. Behind this door, you will find a sewer hose storage compartment. You will also have a cable hookup for television. Seen here is the exhaust for the compressor generator. Inside this compartment is also the hydraulics for the leveling system. In this compartment next to it will be your black and gray valves for emptying at your dump station. And you also have a black flush valve here. Caution should be taken to have the valves open when using the black tank flush or you will flood your camper. Next we have a view of the generator 4000. It has been serviced and it can be controlled out here or it can be controlled inside on the control panel. Next to this is going to be your propane tank with an on-off valve. It is a 30-pound, 30-gallon tank. Moving back, outside view of the hot water heater. It is gas and electric. It does have an aluminum tank, so there's no need for an anode rod to keep the minerals out of the water. City water connection is here, where you will hook up city water from your hose. Next to that is an outside shower. Moving forward to the front, you will find driver's door entryway. As we move along, we will enter the inside of the vehicle. On the left-hand side, you will find the switches for your battery disconnect system. Hit the store when not in use. You have a power antenna switch. Gonna roll your power antenna on in and out. Located next to it is a step light for the interior. The switches for the inside lighting. View of the Xantrex inverter, which shows 12.4 voltage, doing its job perfectly. The panel below here is going to be your solar monitor controller. You have 3 solar panels on the top of the vehicle. Moving forward is your Norcold refrigerator, which is set on automatic at this point in time. It will run on propane and gas and electric. Storage area with pull-out drawers. And we get to the main control panel, which has your generator, with 554 hours. It can be stopped and started from this panel. You have your tank monitors, battery, fresh and gray and black. You have your slide switch for extend and retract. You also have a set of tank heaters for the black and the gray tanks. Your water pump control, which is currently on with the indication of the on button. Your hot water heater controls are here. LP gas, propane, and 110 electric side. Mine here is going to be your thermostat for heating and cooling. Fairly simple to use. Pick and choose as to what you want and set it to automatic. This is a view of the remote that will make the generator start and the awning in and out. Located below this is your LCI, electronic leveling system. The ignition key needs to be on and the brake pedal needs to be set in order for the system to run. It is a fairly simple system. Hit on/off button, choose as to what you want to do, and then go from there. Full functioning shower and bathroom with overhead exhaust fan. Faucets hot and cold, and your light switch for the bathroom. Located in this compartment down here will be your electrical system, which consists of your 12-volt fuses and your circuit breakers for the 110 side. Any electrical issues should be addressed by checking this out for blown breakers and or blown fuses and addressed as needed. Moving on to the toy hauler area. Stereo with inside and outside zones. Battery hookup. Outside spotlights are here. And ceiling controls are here. Wall-mounted television. Storage area. Cabinets. Very well built. Safety window. By removing and pulling the red handle, you can exit the vehicle if any issues are ever concerned. Picture next will be the fold-down bed. And you will see the screen put together for the toy hauler area. Another safety exit window. Other side of the bed. Located up here will be the air conditioning system for the toy hauler area. Very simple to use. Storage cabinet. Moving onward. More storage. And we come to the 3-igniter oven and stove. Turn it to the light. Turn the striker knob and you will turn on your oven. Mounted above is your 110 outlet, 110 microwave. Above that is then another ceiling fan. Fully operational kitchen sink. Mounted back behind this panel, you will find the shut-off valves for the hot water heater. So when you winterize, you can just flip the valves and drain the hot water so it is not full of antifreeze. Inside speakers. Lights are controlled by the push button here. Or overhead storage cabinets, very nice. You have a spot on the floor for your table and post, which is stored above the bunk bed. There's the post, there's the tabletop, and there are the bunk ladders. Located in the ceiling is another exhaust fan. We have the TV mounted here, which is on an extendable arm. We have directional control for the antenna, fire extinguisher, and charging ports. Also, below this panel, down below the refrigerator, you will find a port that can be used to winterize the vehicle by hooking up your antifreeze to the valve behind the door and using the water pump to draw antifreeze into the system. We also have a new propane and CO detector mounted on the wall. And also 2 new smoke alarms that have been installed on the toy hauler. Dash radio with backup cameras and driver's starter. AC and heater controls are on the dash to the left, and you have power outlets on the right. All in all, very good condition with only 6,000 miles. Very nice shape. Hopefully everything is good. If you have any questions, please call Finley Trucking Ideas, and we can usually answer your questions over the phone. Thank you for watching and have a good day.